What's up, YouTube gang? It's your boy Boss, man. I do not play, bruh. Motor out. Just got it yesterday. Snagged the motor out. Back to back. That's the old motor right there. I'm telling you right now, whoever the fuck made this goddamn... I'm sorry for cussing on my channel, man, but hey, whoever made this right here, bruh, it's crazy. Because if you look right here, all of the bolts to the bell housing right here, where the bell housing is where the transmission meet the back of the block, and all of the bolts go this way. They got one bolt that comes from the motor side going through the transmission going that way, going this way. One bolt. And if you don't know nothing about that, you'll end up tearing the damn transmission up, the bell housing of the transmission, and you'll have to get a transmission. So that's for anybody that's trying to attempt this right here. Always remember, you're going to have one bolt. That one bolt right here, that hole, is going to go that way. And man, you catch the devil. You can either put a long extension from that wheel well over there on the passenger side and go all the way through that away, or you could put a ratchet wrench like I did. I used a ratchet wrench and it's real tight, and I took a doggone pipe and I hit it, and that's how I broke it, and I twisted it off with my hand. But like I say, man, yeah, I got that gas leaking. Man, if you don't know nothing about this, I'm telling you right now, you better look up. You better look it up, boy, because it ain't no joke. But like I say, it's out. Only reason I can't go back today, because you see it had an oil leak. And that oil leak was leaking right there on the mount. It was leaking from the front seal. And it tore that doggone mount up. That mount it's ate all up, man. Like, so I got one of those on order. But like I say, the grind don't stop for me, man. Like, subscribe, and comment. Your boy Boss, and I'm out.